So I'm using 5.5mm crochet hook and a medium acrylic yarn. I'm starting with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna make 6 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is the first row or round. Now I'm gonna chain 2. It's very similar to how you make a circle, flat circle. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the first stitch. And 2 double crochet in every stitch. That will give me 12 stitches. And I've got 12 stitches for the second row. The next row, chain 2 around, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in the following stitch. I will alternate 2 double crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet in the following stitch till the end of the round. 2, 1, 2, 1. That will give me 18 stitches. And one double crochet in the last stitch. This is how it looks so far. So the next round, and every round, we're gonna increase the number of single double crochet in every stitch. Means the first stitch will be 2 double crochet, the next 2 stitches I'm gonna make single double crochet or 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch it will be 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and so on. So if you are confused and you don't understand this, check the written pattern. It has all the steps how to make it right and to keep it flat in every round. And the last stitches, so 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the last 2 stitches. So you keep doing the same. You increase the double crochet in every stitch by 1. Means in this round 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th row it was 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the 5th row it will be 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the following row 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and so on. Again, the written pattern will give you more clarity on how to achieve this half circle. So this is the basics of it. I hope you like it and you find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.